Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I will be guiding you through how to change your home menu crew in One Piece Treasure Cruise. So in order to do that, the process is quite easy. First of all, open up the One Piece Treasure Cruise game on your device, and from the home screen, go ahead and tap on the Home Crew button at the top left, right under Request. And once you open up the Home Crew section, tap and hold on the current crew slot. And then this will give you options to choose a different one. Now, go ahead and select a different crew that you want to add on your home page. And right after you do that, you will be able to see your home crew changed. Changing your home menu crew is more than just a look. It's about showing off your favorite characters, your hard work, and your pirate pride. You can also go ahead and add multiple home crews that you want them to appear on your home screen. Simply go ahead and select the crews that you want to add, and that's it. So that is how you easily change your home crew on One Piece Treasure Cruise. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. I'll be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.